Yan, nakagawa na tayo ng coffee banana cake with chocolate toppings. Yan siya, tsaka coffee banana cake with cheese cupcake. Look at that. One cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and 3 ripe banana. 1 cheese, single, and chocolate. Chocolate yung, any type of chocolate is pwede naman. Pang toppings lang naman yan eh. So, ito siya. Ito walang cheese. So, ano lang siya. Coffee banana cake with chocolate toppings. Nag-melted yung chocolate niya. Yan siya. Buti may mga container kami dito. Nice. Perfect size niya. Saktong-sakto dito. Yan. Makakagawa kayo ng ganito kahit wala kayong oven. Steam lang guys. So yan. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 sachet of coffee stick. I think it is 2 grams. And 1/2 cup sugar. Any kind of sugar, white or brown is okay. Yung chocolate naman na toppings, kahit anong chocolate na meron kayong available is pwede nyo nang pang-design lang naman yun. Tapos kung kahit anong available cheese din para dito sa cupcake, banana cupcake with cheese is pwede. Or kahit wala, kung walang cheese. Or kahit yung chocolate na pang toppings or design, kahit wala din yan kung wala kayong is fine as well. So yun siya guys, done na siya. Steaming time for this is 15 minutes only. And this one, in-steam ko siya ng 35 minutes. Yan. Napaka-soft niya, guys. Ayan. Kinamay ko. Yan. So yummy. Looks so yummy. Banana coffee. And banana coffee with cheese and chocolate toppings. Look at that. Kuyawan. Look at that. Tingnan niyo siya kung gano'n siya ka-moist. Melted yung chocolate. Look at that. The cupcake. Banana cupcake. One cup all-purpose flour lang yan guys. Tapos 3 banana. Yung saging na hindi sabaha. Lakatan. Yan siya. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.